So guys, I will show you right now how they are hacking the Bluetooth devices of people. Okay, so you will open Google Wi-Fi and we'll go in the map section. Where is the map section? Okay, so this is the satellite view. Okay, this Google Wi-Fi tells you about the cell phone towers placed inside the individual houses. See, here this is a house actually. This is a Bluetooth device. One of the cell phone tower placed here in this house. This is a heart rate monitoring biomedical device from Panasonic, as small as a smoke detector. This is another cell phone tower. I know all the devices by name now. I've seen this picture so many times. Okay, what is this? तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? Okay, so playing games. Also indirect communications channels. I have seen this same Wi-Fi name another place and it's right now here. So TP-Link, another Y. This okay looks like a legitimate one. This also a cell phone. This is another cell phone tower. Cellular network. Okay, shouldn't be here. Okay, that's shop Wi-Fi. Okay, this is shop Wi-Fi. The speaker. Okay, this one Geo. Bluetooth hands free. Okay. This one is not. This one has been hacked. Okay, I had seen the similar Bluetooth device. They hacked my phone also and then replaced. They changed the name to something like this. So this one is hacked. This is some semiconductor dongle. Okay. This thing also hacked. See, whatever the devices they hacked, the Bluetooth devices, they changed the name to some alphanumeric format. But since they cannot change the MAC address, so I had caught them. So they had done the same thing to my phone. They had changed the name to some alphanumeric MAC address. I thought, whose device is this? Then when I looked up the MAC address and matched with the settings about my phone Bluetooth, the MAC address of my Bluetooth device, the MAC address was same. So I came to know this guys hacked my Bluetooth device. They use it as Apple AirPlay broadcasting. Like, they use as AirPlay mirroring, screen mirroring. So they were doing something. The weapon system works in that way. Now this is another cell phone tower on the road. It shouldn't be on the road. The first digit is first thing is three initials are they separated by smaller hyphens. First one is the cellular MNC code. Third is the LEC code, LAC code. The middle one is the exact cellular ID, unique cellular ID. Okay. So everything can be proved by this app. This is a wonderful app. So all you guys need to do is install this. Another cellular tower. They carried these devices inside their vehicles or whatever. They carry it in the bag or pockets. So what is it? This thing doing on the road, or is it? Maybe there may be some optical cables below it. This is another one. MCC code, MNC code, the LAC code, and the cellular ID. Okay. Lemon, another cellular cell. Let's keep going. Actually, in this phone it's very less. In other phone I have recorded lots. There will be lots of devices actually. Another cellular ID placed here. These are not big like towers. Okay, they are GPRS or LTE modules. Okay, they just need to place it. These are small IoT devices. Okay, if you are into IoT, you will be knowing there are GPRS and LTE modules. These are as small as paper frames. Okay, and they just advertise their nodes. Okay, this can be used only for tracking purposes and all. Tracking and also they can tracking and many other things. Connecting is hitting you with retransmission of the radiation. Look whatever they can hit you anywhere. You are under total surveillance. This surveillance thing has reached like science fiction levels. You cannot believe this thing has reached science fiction level. It's unclassified to the public. That's why you feel it very. That's why it feels very unbelievable. but people doing it, they know actually it works, you know. This on top of the house here. Every time I get attacked, whenever I cross this area, I get attacked. I get needling pain, I get radiation pains. They hit me with radiation here in this area. Another cellular tower, another two, both two here, all on the road streets, both the sides. I take this road actually. This thing. Okay. Okay, another cell. This is a Bluetooth device. By how? Because by seeing the channel number 524 is a channel for the Bluetooth. Okay. This is a smartphone Bluetooth that's been hacked. They've sent the name to this, or maybe the person's allowed. Okay, another. There's a cellular tower here. Yeah, okay, cellular. Okay, this one is also hacked. This is 100% hacked because this is just see the name. No one sets the name. It's actually the name has been alphanumeric code. Some code has been generated by their software or computer system, and they have assigned it. Okay. Let's see another one. Now this one also. This. Yeah, this is also a Bluetooth device, and that's been hacked. See the name, 8FDE0D. Similar formats to the previous ones. So alphanumeric formats. So this is a very good app. You just need to turn this app on and keep moving around the town, let it populate, have good battery levels, first charge your battery, and then open this app, and when you come back you see it will show you all these devices, the cellular towers, the Wi-Fi boosters also. See, this is the prime location I stay in and see lots, so many devices here. There is clear evidence, you know, even a layman can understand this, you know. So I think the law enforcement and department people will understand all these things. Okay. There's another one hacked here right in front of my house. They hacked this inside the shop persons. Those people running this shop here, they have been hacked. They don't even know actually. Okay, see, because seeing this, they see the number format, see the name formats, alphanumeric computer generated code, just like the previous ones. This one also same alphanumeric code formats generated here. Okay, so this is quite enough sufficient for you guys. Okay. And this is my home Wi-Fi. Okay, and see from where till where my home Wi-Fi has traveled. I stay here, it's here actually, and from here it has traveled to which places. This is how is this possible? It's traveled in aerial direction, not via road. It's not traveled via road, it just crisscrossed the roads. So this is possible only via drones. Okay, so the drone has just hacked my Wi-Fi. It's taken it's populated my Wi-Fi, and it's traveled in aerial direction. So this is actually the drone. Actually, this proves the drone. Okay, so the drone, and see the lines are quite straight. Okay, it's very straight, and it's in aerial. It's crisscrossing the roads. So it's only possible via aerial. This is an aerial. It's only possible. This is an aerial route actually, and it's only possible via drone. So this thing also proves that drones are tracking you, following you. See, okay, this has traveled to this. My goodness, where has this thing traveled? It's traveled from here. It starts from here actually. It's traveled till here actually. So they are very long range. So the capability is very long range. They can hit from very far places. So you can see the capabilities. This is actually unmanned aerial vehicle moving around you, and it's been populating my Wi-Fi and hitting me. Okay.